Hello and welcome to Hartman. Today we're taking a look at the Berkeley cast aluminium collection. This cast aluminium range is a traditional material for producing outdoor furniture. The elegant curves and design fit into any traditional garden. This material is perfect for outdoor furniture. It's lightweight, strong and will not rust, giving you the benefit of low maintenance and allowing you more time to relax and enjoy your garden. It's available in 3 colours: bronze with amber cushions, antique grey with platinum cushions, and maize with wheatgrass cushions. Today we'll be showing you the collection in the maize. In the collection is the 2-seat bistro, a 4-seat round, a 6-seat round, a 6-seat oval, and an 8-seat oval. All chairs are fully assembled and are stackable. And all cushions provided are Hartman's Weatherready cushions, which can be left outside all summer long. The weather-resistant fabric simply allows water to bead and run off. During heavier and persistent rain, the water will penetrate through the seams and flow through the permeable fibres and exit through the mesh base. Drying times vary due to local conditions. All cushions have removable covers which are machine washable and are secured to the frame with the self-coloured ties. All tables come with adjustable feet. The 4 and 6-seater sets come with a 2.5 metre round parasol and 15 kilogram base with the added features of the crank and tilt. The 6 and 8-seater oval sets come with a 3 metre round parasol and 15 kilogram base, also with the crank and tilt features. Also available in the collection is the comfortable Berkeley 2-seat bench. Hartman. Comfort, design, quality.